All right. The name of this color, guys, is Go Mango. Really beautiful. Under camera, it looks red, but it's orange, okay? Really beautiful color. Very rare. Anyways, factory converters. There. 2021 Dodge Challenger. Factory X-pipe. Then he brought it in and we replaced the two mid mufflers for two vibrant bottle style mufflers. Part number 1794, as you guys can see right there. Really beautiful. Then we left the valves in. Maybe later on I'll talk him into taking those valves out. And then he had a rear muffler delete, like a bolt-on that was already on the car, as you guys can see right there. And right there, 3-inch. And then we took the old stainless steel tips off. He didn't like them, which I don't blame him. And we replaced them with some black tips, quads, right there, as you guys can see. I like that color. Yeah, see, it's red, but it's actually orange. So, Go Mango. If you guys like that color, you want to special order it, that's what you'll have to do. Anyways, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and hit that notification bell. What do you think? It's quiet on idle. You hit the gas and it pumps up. Yeah. Again? And it's a 6-speed manual. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead, give it up to 4,000. There we go. Again. Right at 115, bro. That's not bad. Go ahead and back it out. I think I found one of my new favorite colors, because I usually like them in blue. Oh, another satisfied customer. Go ahead. Again. Too much wind, guys. What you guys hear on the inside? He wants to make our top 20 drive-off, so let's see. Oh, he's setting up. Yeah! Enjoy, guys. Beast mode. So he came back. He didn't like the last drive off, so he's going to do a better drive off. Not bad. I like it. Beast mode.